Okay, here the point A is 2, 1. Okay, let me show you where is the location of the point A. Here the first number is 2, so we have to go right 2 unit, 1, 2 unit, and the second number is 1, so we have to move up by 1 unit. And this is the point A. This is just the point A. Let me show its label. Let me show its name here. This is point A, and the next point is point B, which has coordinate 5, 1. And the first number is plus 5, so we have to go right 5 unit and then 1 unit, okay, up. Okay, and this is just the point B. Let me show its name. Here we have plotted point A and B. Okay, let's plot the point C and D like that. Okay, like this. Okay, here the point C is 4, 4. Okay, let me identify the point where is the 4, 4. This is 4, 4, and then sorry, here the not 4, 4, 4, -4. Here the point C is, what is the coordinate of point C? You
4,
can see on your book also. Here I am not clearly seeing here. This is, I think, 4, -4. Okay, let me identify the point.
No, sir, 4, 4 nahi hai. No, sir, 4, 4
This is 4, 4. Okay, let me
Yes,
mark
sir.
the point 4, 4 here. 4 unit right and 4 unit up. Okay, this is 4, 4, and the next point is D point. Okay, the D point 1, 1. Okay, 1, 1. Where is the point 1, 1? This is 1, 1. And here, my dear students, these are the vertices of the parallelogram. If we join these points, a parallelogram will be formed here or not. Hey, here are the points. These points are randomly taken, so the parallelogram will not be formed here. I think the question is mistake. Hey, we cannot make the parallelogram just by joining these points. So our questions is a wrong question. This is wrong questions. We have to correct to the one vertices. Vertex, okay? जस्तै यसमा हामीले जोड्यो भने त प्यारालेलोग्राम बन्दैन के यसबाट हामीले यो just by joining these 4 points we cannot make the any parallelogram कुनै पनि बनाउन मिल्दैन. So this question is little bit mistake. Let me correct this point D. है यो D लाई म करेक्ट गरिदिन्छु. ए this is the question error. Let me just delete this point D and let me correct this D. अब जस्तै यो C त यसरी जोड्यो भने यसलाई चाहिँ यतातिर लियो भने है त प्याराग्राम बन्नु पर्छ यतातिर. ओके, यो कति युनिट छ? ए र 1 युनिट 2 युनिट भनेपछि यो बी को पनि सिधा माथि गएर 1 2 हेर यो पोइन्ट लियो भने. ओके, लेट मी जस्ट पोइन्ट दिस मार्क दिस पोइन्ट. यो पोइन्ट लियो भने द प्याराग्राम विल बी फर्मड हियर. ओके, द सो द कोअर्डिनेट अफ द पोइन्ट डी विल बी 7, 4. दिस इज पोइन्ट 7, 4. ओके, लेट मी शो यु हियर. है म यसमा तिमीहरु शो पनि गरिदिन्छु. ओके, दिस इज द. So my dear students, we can edit this question. The questions, please make the question D is, the coordinate of the D is 7, 4. Hey, please make D, the coordinate of the D is 7, 4. Hey, 7, 4 बनाउँदा यो automatically there will be the parallelogram formed. है अरुलाई चेन्ज गरेर मिलाउन पनि मिल्छ, तर यसलाई चेन्ज गर्दिने सजिलो भइहाल्छ है त. Do you understand? This is the question here, okay? Okay, let me connect these all the points, and here we can easily see that the parallelogram will be formed here. Let me connect these points. I think my internet connection is very unstable. Here the notification is arise here. Your internet connection is very unstable. So I think you are not listening my voice very clearly. Are you all listening my voice clearly?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Here, just by joining, but just by connecting these 4 vertices, we can make the here the parallelogram. Hey, अघि नै यहाँ यतापट्टि भएको भए 1, त्यो parallelogram बन्न सक्थेन. So here we just correct these questions. Correct the coordinate of the point D is the 7, 4. है 7, 4 बनाउने है त. Okay, is this a parallelogram? Is this a parallelogram or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is a parallelogram.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Mr. Soilis is now coming. Okay, and we are just going to rotate it. Okay, the first task is here completed. Represent the first task is, let me just look here on the question. Represent the paragram ABCD in the graph paper. We have just represent this on the graph paper.
सर केही पनि बुझिए छैन बुझिरहेको छ सर यतिकै
Okay, some students are listening my voice very clearly, and some students are not getting my voice clearly. I think there is some internet connection problem. है कि नबुझेपछि कसैले पनि बुझिदैन, कसैले बुझ्ने कसैले नबुझ्ने भन्ने चाहिँ हुँदैन यतापट्टि. From my side here is no internet connection problem, so I think in your side there is the problem. Okay, this is the first task. We have completed this first task, just representing the given paragraph on our graph paper. Okay, hey, सुरुमा यो graph paper बनाउने भनेछ. The first task is completed. Hey, अब यसमा हेर त ABCD भनेछ. यसमा ABCD अलि भएछ नि, यस्तो randomly चाहिँ हुँदैन. A B अनि फेरि C मा यतापट्टि जाने हुँदैन, ABCD हुन्छ. जस्तै यस्तोको गरिदिने. यो D को ठाउँमा C राख्दिने, C को ठाउँमा D राख्दिने है त. यो चेन्ज जस्ट अर्डर चेन्ज गर्दिने है त. क्वेशनमा भने है, अब यो एडिट यो करेक्ट गरेपछि सबैले करेक्ट गर्ने. ए ABCD बनाउनको लागि D लाई C लेख्दिने, C लाई D लेख्दिने. Okay, let me just edit here. The C will be D and the D will be C, and our paragram will be A B C D. यसरी गर्यो भने paragram will be, okay, just a moment here, it is not edited, let me edit it. This is C and this is D. Okay, now it is again not edited. है त पर्यो, यसलाई चाहिँ अब यस्तै गर्नुपर्छ. यसलाई एउटालाई अर्को राखेर. Okay, it is not edited. है म यसमा तिमीले त्यसरी बनाउने है. यसमा किन भएन, यो देखाइराखे चाहिँ पुरानै. Let me update it, just a moment. Okay, this is D again. I think here the point is already defined. It's not defined. Okay, let me fix the problem. What is the problem here? Yes, D like C बनाउने. This is just the C. यसमा चाहिँ यो एडिट गर्न किन मिलेन है त. तिमीले लेख्दै कपीमा लेख्दै यो D को ठाउँमा C लेख्ने, C को ठाउँमा D लेख्ने, अनि A B C D यसरी अर्डरमा हुन्छ कि मिल्छ कि है त. ओके,
हतार बनाउन मिल्छ होला नि सर.
के भनेछ कसले?
सर अब D लैजानु थियो नि, माथि त्यस्तो गरेर त.
हो, त्यहाँ गर्न खोज एडिट गर्ने हो, यसमा यसरी गर्ने हो, तर यसमा यसले यतातिर एडिट भए पनि यतापट्टि लिएन के यसले है त. यो C को ठाउँमा हामीले D बनाउने हो कि यसरी D बनाउने हो. जस्तै D प्राइम लेख्दिम नि त अहिले यसमा एडिट हुन्छ कि. हो, अहिले D प्राइम भयो. अब यसलाई म अर्को चेन्ज गर्छु, यसलाई C बनाउने है त. एकैचोटी दुईवटा गर्न नमिलेर होला के. ए अब हेर है त, अब यो मलाई D प्राइमलाई जस्ट D मात्रै बनाउँछु यसरी. ए अब हुन्छ है त. Okay, here A B C D, this paragraph is A B C D. है चेन्ज गर्ने. यो हाम्रो के गर्ने, C को ठाउँमा यसमा यो मिलाउने है त. D लेख्ने, यो मिलाउने. यसलाई पहिला सुरुमा C लेख्ने. C को चाहिँ कोअर्डिनेट will be the coordinate of the C. Coordinate of the C will be 7,4 है, 7,4, and the D will be, the coordinate of the D is just 4,4 है, यही भइहाल्यो. Okay, let's rotate this object. This object is paragraph. Let's rotate it by 180 degree. Half turn means here the positive half turn means 180 degree in anti-clockwise direction. Positive भनेको जहिले पनि anti-clockwise direction. Half turn means 180 degree. And okay, and let me just say the rule for 180 degree. Just let me take the point A first. Point A, what is the coordinate of the point A here? Point A is 2,1. The point A is 2,1, and its opposite will be in 180 degree rotation. We have to just change the sign. The opposite sign of 2, 1 is -2, -1. This is the rule. Okay, this is the rule of half turn. Hey, half turn ma positive bhane pani negative bhane pani duitaiको लागि same rule. The rule is just changing the sign of the coordinate. Here the coordinate of the A is 2, 1. Its opposite will be -2, -1. Okay, let me find the point -2, -1, which will be A dash. -2, -1. Okay, this is the point, and its name. What will be its name? What will be its name?
A dash.
A dash. It is
A
just
dash.
A dash. Okay, let me show its name. It is A dash. Similarly, we can find out the position of B dash, C dash, and D dash. And what will be the coordinate of B dash? Mr. Pritham, please tell me that. What will be the coordinate of B dash? Here the point B is 5,
Yes,
1.
sir.
Point B is 5, 1. What will be its image coordinate?
-5, 1.
-5, sorry my
1.
dear students, here I have just changed the sign of the x component. A मा के थियो मैले यहाँ लेख्दाखेरि mistake भएछ के. The coordinate of the A is 2, 1. Its opposite will be -2, -1. है मैले त्यसमा 1 मा लगाइदिएर छु. Let me just delete this. ए यो हैन -2, -1 हो. यो त 1 मा भएछ. धन्न अहिले थाहा भइहाल्यो है त. Okay, let me just mark the point. -2, -1. This is the point. Okay, this is the point. What will be its name? A dash.
Dash.
है त.
Dash.
यो चाहिँ मिस्टेक भएछ कि अघि भन्दाखेरि ठिकै भनेको तर यहाँ यतापटि गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ के भएछ? मिस्टेक भएछ है त. Let me show its name. This is A dash, and similarly the B dash, the coordinate of the B is 5, 1. Its opposite will be -5, -1. Okay, let me mark the point -5, -1. -5, -1. Okay, this is just the point. What will be its name? B dash. Okay, let me show its name. This is B dash. Similarly, we can find out the coordinate of C dash and D dash. Here the point C is 7, 4. Its opposite will be -7, -4. Let me mark the point. -7, -4. Okay, this will be the point. And its name, the point will be, its name will be C dash. Okay.
C dash.
And let me show its name here. Okay, C dash, and let's do the same thing for the D dash. D is here 4, 4. Its opposite will be -4, -4. Let me just identify the point -4, -4. -4, -4. This will be the point D dash. This will be point D dash. And we have to finally connect these all the image vertices. अब यो कनेक्ट गर्दाखेरि यसमा अब्जेक्टमा हैन, अब्जेक्टमा के A बाट B मा गएछ भने A dash बाट B dash मा जाने यसरी. अब अब्जेक्टमा B बाट C मा गएछ भने इमेजमा पनि के गर्ने B dash बाट C dash मा जाने. अनि अब्जेक्टमा इन अब्जेक्ट here from C to D, so we have to in image from C dash to D dash. यसरी गयो भने automatically the figure will be completed. Okay, and this is object, this is image. Let me use the next color to the image. Okay, this black parallelogram is image parallelogram. अब यसपछि गर्ने भनेको के गर्ने? What will be the next step in rotation? Just connecting all the vertex to the center.
To the origin.
Center. Here the center is about origin. Okay, about origin in the questions. So we have to
Two
connect
dot
this
dot line.
center. ए सबैलाई के गर्ने सेन्टरमा गर्ने डाइरेक्ट अब यसरी नगर्ने यो हाम्रो मिलेछ भने डाइरेक्ट सेन्टरबाट
डटेड हैन डटेड है
and these all should be dotted.
डट
Dotted.
Just a moment, my dear students. Here the some problems arise. Just a moment. I am fixing the problem. Okay, we have to just connect. Okay.
Sir, sound record किया.
सबै dotted गर्ने है. Here, I think here the some problems come. है यो चाहिँ एकदम यो के भएछ यो ह्याङ जस्तो भएछ कि just a moment. है अब यो बी र सेन्टरमा जोड्ने यसरी सेन्टरमा जोड्ने अनि बी ड्याशलाई पनि सेन्टरमा जोड्ने है एउटै हुन्छ के मैले एउटै बनाइदिन्छु है अहिले है एउटैमा जान्छ फेरि अरु सधैँ त्यस्तो हुँदैन है आई थिंक हियर द प्रब्लम्स है यसमा सबै प्रब्लम आएछ यहाँ ह्याङ भएछ के एकदमै C to center and C dash to center.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and these connecting lines should be dotted.
Sir, path देखाउनु पर्छ.
Path देखाउनु पर्छ है. The path is very important. We have to show the path of the rotations also. Okay. Here we have just connected these vortices, image vortex and the object vertex to the center of the rotation. This is the center of the rotation. Okay, and the next step is just showing the path. By using the compass, we have to show the path. अब के गर्ने center in the center of the rotation we have to put the compass राख्ने अनि यसपछि के गर्ने from A to A dash अब जाँदाखेरि हेर्ने है त अब यो बाटो देखाउँदाखेरि एकदमै ख्याल गर्नुपर्छ यो बाटो देखायो भने this is clockwise, this will be clockwise or anti-clockwise from object to image. Anti-clockwise, and in the questions the positive means anti-clockwise, so this is the way, correct way. Okay, this is the correct way of going, this is the correct path of the rotation है त्यही भएर चाहिँ यही बाटो ठीक भयो नत्र अब यो क्वेशनमा नेगेटिभ डिरेक्सन भनेको भए यताबाट जानु पर्थ्यो अर्को डिरेक्सनबाट. Let's connect D to D dash and C to C dash, doing the same thing for the others vortex. सबैको लागि त्यही गर्ने. B to B dash and C to C dash.
C dash.
Okay, let me little bit drag this file little bit down and let me put these questions here. And this path of the rotations all should be, these all should be dotted. ए सबै डटेड हुन्छ अनि एरो देखाउने एरो देखाउँदाखेरि चाहिँ फ्रम अब्जेक्ट टु इमेज जहिले पनि अब्जेक्टबाट इमेजमा देखाउने एरो. ए अरु सबै त्यही हो के रोटेसनमा अरु काम अरु स्टेप्सहरु सबै त्यही स्टेप हुन्छ जस्ट त्यो रुल लगाउने बेलामा मात्र चेन्ज हो के. Okay, let me little bit zoom out. Okay, this is the final answer of this question. अब एरो देखाउने बेलामा यो बाटोमा पनि एरो देखाउनु पर्छ अब्जेक्टबाट इमेजतिर गएको देखाउने, that would be positive direction. है यो पोजिटिभ हुन्छ के आफै अनि त्यो थाहा भइहाल्छ है त. Okay, this is the final answer of this question. You can take the screenshot. My dear students, we have very a few times here the only 2 minutes left. है अब object image path of the rotation center अब त्यो सबै देखाउने and here the one very important point to be remembered here, the image vortices. है question ले के भन्छ, write the coordinate of the image. So the coordinate of the image will be a dash minus 2 comma minus 1, b dash will be minus 5 comma minus 1, like that. यसरी गर्ने, a dash, b dash, c dash, d dash, all you have to write all these. Okay, do you all understand how to do the 180-degree rotation?
Yes, sir.
Also called
Yes,
as the
sir.
half turn rotation. Okay, half turn rotation about the center, about the origin. Okay, here we take this origin as a center.
Yes.
Hey, अब गर्ने सबै तरिका त्यही हो. And the homework will be question number 3 all. Let me just go to the slide back. Okay, let me just go to the books PDF. The homework will be question number 3 all and question number 5A.
Okay, sir.
Okay, this much for today, my dear students. I will upload this video on the Google Classroom. I will provide the link on that folder. Okay, in Google Classroom, I will upload this video on the my
सर
channel.
पर्सि बुझाउने है
ए हुन्छ पर्सि बुझाउने है,
अनि
भोलि
बुझा,
बुझाउनु
बुझाउनु।
पर्छ। And when is your mathematics exam?
सर पर्सि त
पर्सि
Okay.
Our
हुन्छ, अब त्यसो भने यसो गरे
भोलि हो।
भोलि हो सर।
को एक दिन पछि चाहिँ बुझाउने है त। अब भोलि एक्जाम हो भने I will see your
लौ,
routine. Hey, one day after the exam. Okay, my dear friends, we have less than 1 minute. Have a very good day. This much for today. Thank you all of you.